Hey ChatGPT, is the death penalty right or wrong? The death penalty, also known as capital punishment, is a controversial practice in which a government or state executes individuals convicted of certain crimes. The death penalty has a long history and has been practiced by many societies, but it remains a contentious issue today. There are strong arguments on both sides of the debate, and there is no consensus on whether the death penalty is right or wrong. One argument in favor of the death penalty is that it serves as a deterrent to crime. Some people believe that the threat of execution can help to prevent people from committing serious crimes, and that the death penalty is an effective way of protecting society from dangerous individuals. Another argument in favor of the death penalty is that it provides justice for victims of crime and their families. Some people believe that execution is an appropriate punishment for certain crimes, especially when the crime is particularly heinous or the victim is particularly vulnerable. However, there are also many arguments against the death penalty. One argument is that it is not an effective deterrent to crime. Studies have shown that the rate of crime is not significantly lower in countries or states that have the death penalty compared to those that do not. Another argument against the death penalty is that it is prone to error and can result in the execution of innocent people. The criminal justice system is fallible, and there have been cases where people have been wrongly convicted and later exonerated. If an innocent person is executed, it is irreversible and cannot be rectified. A third argument against the death penalty is that it is a violation of human rights. Many people believe that it is wrong to take the life of another human being, regardless of the circumstances, and that the death penalty is a barbaric and inhumane practice. There are also practical considerations to take into account when considering the death penalty. The death penalty is often more expensive than life imprisonment, as it requires additional legal proceedings and resources. Additionally, the death penalty is often disproportionately applied to certain groups of people, such as people of color or those who are economically disadvantaged. In conclusion, the death penalty is a complex and controversial issue that has no easy answers. There are valid arguments on both sides of the debate, and ultimately it is up to society to decide whether the death penalty is right or wrong. Subscribe for more videos like this.